Hey y'all, this is what I got going on today. I'm going to be installing a Bostrom Pro Ride seat with the rib flooring from the Daycab company and the K100. Let's get it going. This old Kenworth's about 40 years old. There's a lot of wear and tear on this old flooring seat. You can see some old cigarette burns. Anyway, Daycab company's rib floor mat, same design, except it uses a foam backing instead of this cloth backing here. I'm sure that held a lot of moisture, a lot of dirt, nastiness. Anyway, first step's going to be getting the seat out. I'm going to carefully remove the floor mat, use it as a template, use a razor blade, cut it out nice and easy. Should be pretty easy. All right, let's get her going. All right, here it is out of the box. It's 5 feet by 6 feet. The Daycab company, Rockwood, Tennessee. You can see the rib design. Also see the foam backing. And it also comes with some carpet tape. All right, let's get it put in. All right, I got the seat mocked up. Had to build a little riser, so give me the correct ride height. I don't like to sit too low. So I might put a light in there to kind of shine when you open the door, light up the floorboard. All right, I got the old floor out. You can see how nasty it is. See all the dirt that came out from underneath the flooring. But anyway, it make a good pattern. Transfer it over here to the new and cut it out. We'll get it installed. All right, let's see what we can do here. All right, there it is. All right, here we go. We got the flooring in. Comes with a carpet tape. What I plan on doing is running trim around the exterior as much as I can. And there's a piece of trim that's going to run on the entry point there. But you can see it's pretty easy. Just cut the holes where you need it for your air inlets, throttle stop, whatever it is. Just lays right up in there. Look how pretty that looks. Here it is, final product. Daycab Company, Rockwood, Tennessee. Great product, easy to install, durable, it's gonna last a while. Daycab Company, Rockwood, give them a call.